What if I told you that there is an invisible field of energy all around you, constantly interacting with your thoughts, emotions, and physical being? This energy field is not some abstract concept, but a reality that has been acknowledged by various spiritual, scientific, and philosophical traditions for centuries. The truth is, whether we realize it or not, we are constantly living within and influenced by this energetic space, often without fully understanding its power or how to harness it. This energy field, often referred to as the human aura or biofield, is essentially the electromagnetic field that surrounds and penetrates the human body. It reflects not only our physical health but also our mental, emotional, and spiritual states. It's a direct mirror of who we are at our deepest level. And the most fascinating part? It's constantly shifting and responding to both our inner world and the external environment. One of the most important aspects of this field is how it relates to our thoughts and emotions. Everything we think and feel radiates outward into this energy field, impacting not only our own state of being but also the environment around us. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt uneasy or, on the contrary, uplifted? That's your energy field interacting with the energetic frequencies of others. What many don't realize is how profoundly our energy field can shape our experiences and realities. You've likely heard the saying, like attracts like. This is not merely a metaphor, it's a principle rooted in the energetic frequencies we emit. When we consistently project thoughts of fear, worry, or negativity, we create a dense and heavy energy field that draws similar energies back to us. Conversely, when we cultivate thoughts of love, gratitude, and peace, we radiate a lighter, more positive energy that attracts uplifting experiences and people into our lives. The shocking part of this understanding is that most people are unaware of the control they actually have over this process. We go through life thinking that external circumstances shape our inner world, but it's often the other way around. The energy you carry within influences the situations you encounter, the people you attract, and even your physical health. What's even more astonishing is how interconnected we are within these fields. Not only do our own energy fields impact us, but they also interact with the energy fields of others. When we are in close proximity to another person, our energy fields overlap, creating a shared energetic space. This is why we can sometimes feel someone else's emotions or mood without them having to say a word. Our energy fields are constantly communicating, even when we are silent. This concept also opens up a new understanding of healing. Many healing traditions, from ancient practices like Reiki and acupuncture to more modern energy medicine techniques, work with the energy field to restore balance and promote well-being. These practices acknowledge that physical illness or emotional distress often starts as disruptions or imbalances in the energy field. By addressing the energy first, we can often resolve issues before they manifest in the physical body. Now, let's talk about the ways in which you can begin to consciously work with your energy field to improve your life. One of the most powerful tools is mindfulness, simply becoming aware of the energy you are projecting at any given moment. Are your thoughts filled with stress and negativity, or are they aligned with love, peace, and gratitude? This awareness is the first step in shifting your energy field toward a more positive and harmonious state. Another practice that can greatly enhance the quality of your energy field is meditation. Meditation allows you to quiet the mind and tune into the subtle vibrations of your energy. Through regular practice, you can learn to sense the state of your energy field, recognize any disturbances, and clear them before they manifest into something more problematic. Meditation also helps you raise the frequency of your energy, making it easier to attract more positive experiences into your life. Breathing exercises are another simple yet highly effective way to cleanse and strengthen your energy field. Deep, conscious breathing moves stagnant energy and helps to release any negative emotions trapped within your field. This is particularly useful when you've had a stressful day or have been around people whose energy felt heavy or draining. By taking just a few moments to focus on your breath, you can quickly recalibrate your energy field and return to a state of balance. Physical movement plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy energy field. Whether it's yoga, walking, dancing, or any other form of exercise, movement helps to keep energy flowing smoothly throughout the body. Stagnant energy can create blockages that eventually lead to physical discomfort or emotional distress. By keeping the body active, you encourage a free flow of energy, which supports both your physical health and emotional well-being. What's particularly exciting about this whole idea of working with your energy field is that it puts the power back in your hands. You are not a passive participant in life, reacting to whatever comes your way. Instead, you are an active co-creator of your reality, able to shape your experiences by consciously managing the energy you carry within and around you. But, perhaps the most surprising aspect of the energy field is its ability to store information. Just like our minds store memories, our energy field holds onto the energetic imprints of past experiences, emotions, and thoughts. This can be both beneficial and limiting, depending on the nature of the energy stored. Positive experiences can leave uplifting imprints that continue to radiate within our field, while traumatic or painful experiences can create blockages that weigh us down. The good news is that these energetic imprints are not permanent. By becoming aware of the energy stored in your field and consciously working to clear any negative imprints, you can release past traumas and free yourself from their influence. This is one of the key principles behind energy healing techniques like Reiki, where practitioners help to clear stagnant or blocked energy, allowing for a greater sense of freedom and well-being. We also need to understand the impact of external environments on our energy fields. The spaces we occupy, whether it's our home, workplace, or a public area, are filled with the energy of the people who inhabit them. If you're constantly surrounded by stress, negativity, or chaos, it's likely that your energy field will absorb some of that energy. This is why creating a peaceful and positive environment is so essential to maintaining a healthy energy field. Clearing your space regularly, whether through techniques like smudging, using crystals, or simply opening windows to let in fresh air, can help to remove any lingering negative energy. Surrounding yourself with objects that bring you joy and peace can also help to elevate the energy of your space, thereby supporting the well-being of your energy field. Another key aspect to consider is the energy exchange that happens in relationships. Every interaction we have with another person involves an exchange of energy. This is why some people leave us feeling drained, while others lift us up. The quality of the energy exchange in a relationship can have a profound impact on our emotional and physical health. It's important to be mindful of who we spend time with and to protect our energy when we feel that a relationship is depleting rather than nourishing. Boundaries are an essential tool in maintaining a balanced and healthy energy field. When we lack boundaries, we allow the energy of others to overpower our own, leading to feelings of exhaustion, overwhelm, and even resentment. By setting clear boundaries, we protect our energy field and ensure that we are not absorbing the negativity or stress of those around us. In conclusion, the energy field is a powerful and often overlooked aspect of our existence that plays a crucial role in shaping our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. By becoming aware of the energy we carry and taking steps to maintain a balanced and harmonious energy field, we can improve not only our own well-being but also the quality of our relationships and the environments we inhabit. It's time to recognize the immense power you hold within your energy field. You are not just a physical being. You are an energetic being with the ability to shape your reality in ways that are more profound than you've ever been told. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions all contribute to the state of your energy field, and by consciously choosing to nurture and protect it, you can unlock a greater sense of peace, happiness, and fulfillment in your life. To bring everything together, I want you to take a moment and realize the potential that lies in your hands. You are not limited by what you see on the surface. The energy that surrounds and flows through you is constantly working, responding, and influencing every aspect of your life. This is not something you can ignore or overlook. By tuning into your energy field, you can begin to direct and refine the energy that shapes your experiences. Think about the impact this understanding could have on your relationships, your health, and your personal growth. When you become aware of the energy you project, the energy you allow into your life, and the energy exchanges you participate in, everything changes. You're no longer just reacting to life, you're actively steering it. If this message resonated with you, then there's so much more we can explore together. Let's keep this conversation going, and here's how you can support this channel to ensure we keep sharing more insights like these. If you found this valuable, make sure to hit the like button, it helps us reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe to the channel right now if you want to continue learning about the deeper layers of our existence and how to tap into your full potential. Liking this video lets us know that this is the kind of content you're interested in, and it helps the channel grow, so don't forget to click that thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, it's the best way to stay connected and never miss out on future videos packed with insights like these. Hit the like button if this message inspired you in any way. And make sure you subscribe to stay in tune with the energy and content that we'll be sharing. Your energy field is always in motion, but so is the knowledge and wisdom we can uncover together. Stay tuned, stay connected, and don't miss out on what's to come. Your support is what makes it possible to dive deeper and expand our understanding, so I invite you to take that next step, like the video, subscribe, and let's continue on this journey of awareness and transformation.